Are you having trouble selecting songs for your upcoming wedding? Here are 5 great tips from a multi-award-winning wedding DJ that will help you out. Tip number 1. Try and select songs that your guests will know. Part of dancing is singing, so if people can't sing the songs, they are less likely to dance. Tip number 2. Select songs that have good bass. Bass is what we dance to, so remember, add some bass to your music to get the dance floor pumping. Tip number 3. Include songs that cover all age groups at your event. Research your event, and make sure you involve most age groups on the dance floor during the night. Tip number 4. Play your music through a good sound system. A good sound system will encourage more people up on the dance floor. Great speakers with a good sound will fill the room with a party atmosphere. Tip number 5. Don't play your music too loud or too quiet. Music shouldn't be so loud that it's uncomfortable to listen to, or it shouldn't be too quiet. Make sure you have the perfect volume level to create that party atmosphere on the dance floor. We hope these DJ tips will help you create the perfect playlist at your next event. Thank you for watching the Wedding Ideas channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Happy planning!